All right, welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. here. We are shooting a video. So the exhaust on our '08 Duramax is split at the DPF, and it uses studs to connect it to the actual muffler piece. So we put some heat on it, didn't want to come out, so we're going to swap the bazooka tip for an MBRP DPF back, or axle back if you will. Exhaust piece, it has no muffler, but it has, instead of a bazooka tip, has like a I think they call it a ventrili type exhaust, where it has those little slats for cooling. But my son, who's buying this, wanted to see what it sounded like, so let's go for a spin. Alright guys, there will be a follow-up video in regards to the install of the MBRP. It is going to be a $299 part. Can get here pretty quick. We actually got this from AutoZone instead of some other manufacturers because they can get it quicker. But there will be a follow-up video in regards to what the new sound is. We don't anticipate any horsepower gains. That's not what it's really about. It was about the GM piece was like 600 to replace it. There's actually no issue with it, but we still had to then remove the whole exhaust anyway, so that way we could press those studs out or whatever. We just decided, you know, at this point, let's just swap it out and put a nicer looking tip on there and everything else. So guys, we will see you on the next one.